Hey guys, it's Carl here, and I wanted to let you guys know about a new feature that I'm going to be doing on this channel. It's called the Student Spotlight. Now this is going to allow you guys to send me video questions. Try to keep it brief, a little bit under a minute at least, and just demonstrate something you're having difficulty with. It could be a technique, a theory question, or whatever musical question you have. Then I'll take your video and put it in one of my videos that I upload on the channel, answering your question directly. Now hopefully this will help a lot of people because I've noticed a lot of students have the same questions. So it's important to watch the other videos as well as submit your own to learn as much as you can. All you need to do to submit your video is go to my website, and at the top of the screen you'll see a link that says Student Spotlight. On that page you'll see all the information that you need to know to learn how to submit your video. It's quick and it's very easy. I'll be randomly selecting 1 or 2 videos a week to cover on the channel. So I'll make you famous. Send your video in and you'll make it onto the YouTube channel. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I hope you learn a lot from other students' videos as well. I'll see you then.